Hola, amiguitos. Hi, friends. What's something that brings you joy? I enjoy camping in the great outdoors with my family and friends. Today's story features beautiful brown boys enjoying everyday things like gardening and jumping rope. It's titled Brown Boy Joy, and it's full of love, pride, and lots of smiles. Let's get started. Empecemos! Brown Boy Joy, written by MiJa Books, illustrated by Azuri Designs. I am Brown Boy Joy, and I shine like gold, smiling ear to ear. I am fearless and bold, small but mighty as I walk with pride. I am wonderfully made, future bright, eyes wide. No dream too big. Nope, not for me. I am brown and amazing. Can't you see? I am Brown Boy Joy, always reaching for the sky. I walk into the room with my head held high. You can tell by my stride. I am happy as can be. No one on earth can steal the joy inside of me. Wherever I go, no matter near or far, you will always find me shining like a star. With a heart so pure, I am loved by all. Walking into my glory, I am standing tall. Filled with love and light, I speak my mind. Take a look at me, I am smart and kind. Sitting on my throne like royalty, Brown Boy Joy. Yes, that's me. The end. Fin. What was your favorite scene of this story? My favorite was of the boys imagining being astronauts in outer space. That looked like lots of fun. Hope you enjoyed reading Brown Boy Joy. Do you hear that? It's time for Get Up and Baila! Vámonos! Let's go! Always remember, friends, you are worthy and you matter. Say it with me. I am worthy and I matter. Happy reading. Until next time. To hear more, click the subscribe button below. And to purchase your own copy, visit MiJaBooks.com or click on the link in the description below.